So, have you ever looked at a massive YouTube channel like Fireship and just wondered, how do they do that? Is it all just random luck, or is there an actual formula? Well, today we're putting that to the test. We are going to reverse engineer their entire strategy to see if we can find a replicable blueprint for success.
To figure this out, we went deep. We're talking a massive data dive into 408 Fireship's videos to really uncover the patterns behind their incredible growth.
And get this, those videos have racked up almost 500 million views. I mean, that number is just staggering.
Think about that for a second. That breaks down to an average of 1.1 million views for every single video they upload.
So that brings us to the big question, right? Is it just a crazy lucky streak, or is this a system that you could actually replicate? Well, that's exactly what we're here to find out.
All right, so here's how we're going to break it all down. We'll start with the anatomy of what makes a hit video. Then we'll look at their engagement engine, piece together a blueprint for going viral, and finally talk about how to scale that success.
Okay, so first things first, let's get under the hood and really dissect what their most successful content is all about. Like, what are they actually making that works so well?
Now, take a look at their top 5 videos. At first glance, it kind of looks all over the map, doesn't it? A developer roadmap and a video about a super obscure programming language are tied with nearly 8 million views. But notice the titles: God Tier, in 100 Seconds, AI Influencers. See, these aren't random. They're tapping into very specific, powerful content formulas.
And when you zoom out and look across all their top performers, these common threads just pop right out. They're either tackling these big, broad concepts everyone can relate to, like roadmaps and comparisons, or they're using these super specific, repeatable formats, like the In 100 Seconds series. And of course, they are masters at explaining complex topics and jumping on hot tech news, especially anything to do with AI.
And hey, the data totally backs this up. If you look at the tags on their videos, it's just laser focused. It's almost all app development, web development, tutorials, and lessons. They know their audience inside and out, and they serve them relentlessly. This focus is a huge part of their strategy.
But it's not just what they're making, it's also about the length. Yeah, those short 100 seconds videos are popular, but the data shows something really interesting. There is a clear sweet spot. The videos that get that perfect combo of views and engagement are consistently between 7 and 9 minutes long.
So they've got the right topics and the right length, but that's not the whole story, not even close. The real magic, the secret sauce, happens with engagement. Let's look at how they turn a casual viewer into a die-hard fan.
This slide right here, this is fascinating. It perfectly highlights their dual strategy. On the left, you've got a massive reach video, the developer roadmap, with millions of views, but, just okay engagement. But on the right, you've got a depth video. Way fewer views, sure, but look at that insane 12.42% engagement rate. They're not just chasing views. They are strategically building a loyal, engaged audience.
And this leads us to what might be the single most powerful insight from this entire analysis. It all comes down to one magic number that seems to unlock viral growth.
And there it is. The data is absolutely undeniable. Videos that manage to break that 4.5% engagement barrier see 3 times more growth. This isn't just a correlation, it's a catalyst. Hitting this number is like flipping a switch that tells the YouTube algorithm, hey, pay attention, show this video to everyone.
Okay, so let's put it all together. We've seen the what and the why, so now let's synthesize all of this into an actual, actionable blueprint. Here's how you can learn from this analysis.
So, here's the blueprint. Step 1, focus on your core topics, master a niche. Step 2, master a repeatable format and absolutely nail that 7 to 9 minute length. Step 3, this is the big one. Engineer every video to hit that magic 4.5% engagement rate. And step 4, be consistent. It's a simple formula on paper, but it's incredibly powerful when you put it into practice.
A viral hit is fantastic, but the analysis also shows us how to leverage that success for long-term value. It's really about thinking beyond just the view count. You see, a viral video is more than just a spike in views. It's market research. If a video on a certain topic blows up, well, you should probably create a course on it, or offer coaching, or find brand partners in that niche. You can turn your audience's attention into a real, sustainable business. So virality isn't a mystery. It's a system. We've just given you the blueprint, based on a deep analysis of one of YouTube's biggest success stories. So the only question left is, what are you going to build with it?